Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will show you how to resolve unsupported file errors within Google Drive. We all understand how annoying it is to be blocked by a message saying your file type isn't supported, but by the end of this tutorial, you will be able to fix this issue quickly. To begin, let's access your Google Drive account. This cloud service is perfect for storing files and accessing them from any location with an internet connection. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Google Drive homepage. Once the page loads, you will see your full list of documents and folders. Next, find the specific file that is giving you trouble. After locating it, right-click the file to open a menu featuring several different options. Move your mouse pointer to the Open With selection, but do not click it yet. Simply hover over the text. This action reveals a secondary list of compatible apps and services that can handle your file. From this list, select Video Player for Google Drive if you are working with a video format. This will attempt to run the file using that specific tool. If you have a different type of file, choose the application that best fits your needs. In most instances, this will solve the problem and allow your file to open correctly. If the file still refuses to open, you may need to use an online tool to convert it into a more common format, such as a PDF for text or an MP4 for video. Always ensure your files are in a format that Google Drive or your selected apps can recognize. That wraps up today's instructions. By following these steps, you can easily handle unsupported files in the future. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Have a great day and happy file managing.